Hey guys, welcome back to One Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. It's Fatal Frame Mask of the Lunar Eclipse, the remastered version for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the Ryujinx emulator once again on my Intel Core i3-10105 with the AMD RX-6600 8GB VRAM graphics card. I'm running with 16GB DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory, and unfortunately my MSI Afterburner doesn't want to run with this game for some reason. It's a very weird thing. It comes on and off sometimes. Not sure why he can't figure it out up to now. But hey, you can see at the bottom right down. I'll actually show you in a minute. But look at the settings we're running on, and yeah, we're running right down here. As you can see, the frame rate right down here. If you're looking at the mouse, it's running at a solid 30 FPS. Was curious. This game comes out today, so yeah. Let's see, it seems to be running on the Ryujinx simulator. It does not run on Yuzu at this point in time. It's only the Japanese version as well, not even the English sub. But we're curious to see if it even runs at all, and it does run. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I don't know, man. I always wanted to play this game. It sucks that they didn't put this to English dub. And we have to use English sub for it as well. It would have been cool if they said, hey, let's make it dub. The only Fatal Frame that didn't have a dub. Right? Yeah, because 5 has a dub. I have played the beginning of on the Wii though, so I should know where I'm going. For at least the first 5 minutes. But it does run. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to please smash that like button, hit that share, subscribe, all that stuff, and hit the notification bell to get notified of games that I post on the channel. I test them as soon as they come out, guys, letting you know. Can you run it? Can you not? You can. You can. Boy, that was loud. That was really loud. That was The cutscene runs well. Let's see how the gameplay is. Yeah, I'm not gonna start talking until I see how the gameplay is, just to make sure the game's actually. Yeah, it's okay. So it is on. You gonna let me move? Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's running at a solid 30 FPS, so this is playable. This is Fatal Frame, guys. I like how I went into the menu like I could understand Japanese. I would have any notion of what I'm doing. Brilliant. I know a Fatal Frame layout when I see one. Haha! Like I said, I know a Fatal Frame layout when I see one. Well, it was too dark, man. I couldn't see crap. Not even scary dark. It was just way too dark. I really couldn't see anything. So yeah, this runs at a solid 30 FPS. The remaster, it doesn't even look like it has hard specs for the PC version. So yeah, I'm just gonna mute myself now and enjoy the rest of the gameplay. The game runs fine.
Misaki? Misaki? Ko こに鍵があるかも。
通りなさい。